Hello, a very good evening to all of you. So, we've been doing a lot of live sessions with a lot of fund managers. हम अपने clients के लिए बहुत sessions arrange करवा रहे हैं. हमारे organization में internal trainings भी चल रही है. But along with that, we thought that why not to start something जिससे audience को, जिससे लोगों को हमारे organization के लोगों के बारे में और पता चले. So we started with this series called Behind the Curtains. And first up, we have the partner and promoter of Thorin, Mr. Madhwani. So, hi sir, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Let's skip all the pleasantries because अभी 5 मिनट पहले ही हमारी काम से related बात हुई थी. So let's all this. So tell me, let's address the elephant in the room, which is Corona right now. How are you dealing with this quarantine period? Because for people, those who don't know, this is a person जो कभी सूरत में नहीं रह सकता. हफ्ते में 7 दिन में से 3 दिन ही सूरत के बाहर ही होते हैं जनरली. So how are you feeling all locked up into your house?
I feel जिनको काम पसंद है उनके लिए कहीं भी कोई कोरोना या कोई COVID-19 उसे स्टॉप नहीं कर सकता. Previously also when it was not lockdown, I used to work and जितना मैं काम तब कर रहा था उतना ही काम मैं आज कर रहा हूँ. And एक रूम में अलग से अपना ऑफिस बना लिया है. एंड द सेम 12 hours आई एम वर्किंग.
राइट. सो आपका ऑफिस आपसे चला गया है, बट आपका पैशन और आपका बिजनेस नो वन कैन टेक दैट अवे फ्रॉम यू. सो स्पीकिंग अबाउट दिस बिजनेस, व्हाट वाज योर विजन बिहाइंड इट? आपने क्या सोच के बिजनेस शुरू किया था? एंड यू हैव ग्रोन इट फ्रॉम दैट स्मॉल कंपनी टू अ ह्यूज सक्सेस राइट नाउ. हाउ वाज इट पॉसिबल?
So when I started this company in 2012, it started foundation in 2008 when I was in IIM Indore. उस टाइम पे 2008 से 2012 तक मैं इस कंपनी को काफ़ी सारे प्लानिंग प्रोसेसेस सिस्टम्स में लाने की ट्राई किया. एंड आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू, क्योंकि मैंने काफ़ी सारे 2008 के अंदर व्हेन आई वाज अ पार्ट ऑफ मैकेंजी, आई वाज वर्किंग एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इन कंपनी कॉल्ड कोटक. तो उस टाइम पे जब मैंने काम कर रहा था काफ़ी सारे अलग अलग कंट्रीज़ में, काफ़ी सारे अलग अलग कंपनीज़ को मैं रिसर्च कर रहा था, तब मैंने पाया कि इंडिया के अंदर सबसे बड़ा एक लैक्यूना है कि हम इंडियंस हर प्रोडक्ट के लिए अलग अलग डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर इंटरमीडिएटर रखते हैं. जैसे लाइफ इंश्योरेंस के लिए 2-4 इंटरमीडिएटरीज आदमी रखते हैं, एजेंट्स रखते हैं. लोन्स के लिए अलग रखते हैं आदमी. इक्विटी के लिए अलग इंसान है. मतलब हो सकता है जनरल इंश्योरेंस, मेडिक्लेम, गाड़ी का इंश्योरेंस, चाहे हर किसी इन्वेस्टमेंट और इंश्योरेंस के लिए
हमें भी नहीं पता होता हमारा क्या क्या इन्वेस्टमेंट कहाँ है. इट इज लाइक टू मच.
और सही प्रोडक्ट लिया है नहीं लिया है, तो द सर्वे सेड दैट 83% ऑफ द पीपल हैज टेकन अ रॉन्ग प्रोडक्ट बिटवीन द 2000 एंड 2008. तो मैंने देखा ये तो बहुत बड़ा गैप है. इक्विटी ब्रोकर जो या गोल्डस्मिथ, अगर मैं गोल्ड वाले की बात करूं, उन लोगों ने भी काफी पैसे बनाए, बट कस्टमर अल्टीमेटली पैसे नहीं बना पा रहा था. तब एक ऐसी सोच लेके आया कि किसी भी हालत में एक ऐसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लेके आऊं जो वन पॉइंट ऑफ सॉल्यूशन मिले टू द कस्टमर. उस थॉट से ये कंपनी का गठन हुआ था 2012 में.
सो टॉरिन के बारे में many people might have a doubt कि टॉरिन का मतलब क्या होता है?
Oh great. Torin means is an Irish word called chief in English.
Why did you choose this Irish word?
So very interesting question. When I was leaving my corporate world after 10 years, a lot of my parents, my relatives, friends, they said कि थोड़ा पंडित जी को दिखा लो, न्यूमरोलॉजी को दिखा दो, कौन से अक्षर से नाम आता है. So I just started going to few people and I ended up with someone, you know, who is the master of all. So he told me that जिग्नेश, अगर आपको अपनी कंपनी बनानी है तो आपको नाम तो से निकालना पड़ेगा. तो से तोप चलेगी, उस तरह से कंपनी चलेगी. सो आप तो से नाम निकालो. तो
ओके, सो आपने मतलब कंपनी का भी नामकरण कराया था. So this is a very interesting aspect of you कि you are a very religious person as far as I know, but you generally don't show it out in the public. You are very shy about this. Why? Like, what is the reason behind it?
I don't think so. ऐसा कुछ है. और दूसरा चीज़ ये है कि अगर मैं कहीं कुछ छुपाता भी हूँ तो आई थिंक रिलीजियस एंड प्रोफेशनल आर 2 different aspects. और मुझे नहीं लगता कि कभी भी अगर आप रिलीजियस हो तो उसमें आपको कोई उसके लिए प्रमोशन आपके या आपको उसकी पब्लिसिटी करने की जरूरत है.
Right.
So your deeds and your thoughts needs to be personal to you, not to be public.
Right. So on the contrary, on one side religiously you are very secretive and shy, but on the contrary, on the business side you are very media friendly. You are out in the open, in the public. You conduct various sessions and everything. You media people really love you, I can say. So how can that be possible? Matlab, don't you feel कि too much of media can also be harmful?
I don't think so. मुझे लगता है कि मीडिया एक बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले करता है किसी के भी लाइफ में सक्सेस और फेलियर के लिए. अगर आप मीडिया में गलत तरीके से ट्रैप हो गए तो वो आपको जीने नहीं देगा. अगर आप अच्छी तरह से ट्रैप हुए हो तो आपको कहीं का कहीं लेके जाएगा. सो आई एम ऑन द गुड नोट एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. सेकेंडली, मुझे लगता है मीडिया बहुत ही अक्लमंद है. मीडिया के जो लोग होते हैं दे आर वेरी इंटेलिजेंट. तो उनके प्रेस रिपोर्टर्स देख लीजिए या फिर एंकर्स देख लीजिए, दे आर वेल इक्विप्ड इन लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. तो मुझे लगता है उनके पास नॉलेज है और हमें वो एक जरिया मिलता है कि जो हम नॉर्मल लाइफ के अंदर जो प्रैक्टिसेस कर रहे हैं विद लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च, वो एक आम आदमी तक पहुंचा सके.
So in Torin, many people see you as an inspiration, see you as a role model. Like you're such a good leader. But who do you feel is your inspiration? आपका role model कौन है?
I think I have one Bollywood and one Hollywood. So उसी तरह से in India अगर मैं बताऊँ तो I really admire Mr. Uday Kotak, जिसके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में मैंने काफ़ी लंबा समय मैंने काम किया है. तो ही इज़ माई रोल मॉडल बिकॉज एज एन कोटक मैंने जितनी कंपनी को ग्रो होते हुए देखा है 2002 से लेके 2009 तक, मुझे लगता है कि ही हैज़ अ ग्रेट लीडरशिप एबिलिटी, अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड ग्रेट सेंस ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर इन फाइनेंस. सो
And I feel in this aspect that it's very important. Like you work for Kotak for 6 years, right? So it becomes very important to choose the right boss. So is it because you chose the right boss and gradually वो आपके role model बन गए?
नहीं, I probably I did not had an opportunity to choose him. It was I went for an interview. I was selected for the interview and I was not reporting directly to Uday Kotak. So between us there was a lot of other hierarchy, boss. And मेरे जो boss थे Mr. Manish Dave थे, and to whom I have chosen. And for that also मैंने पहले starting में 2 दिन जब मुझे offer letter मिला उसके बाद मैंने मना कर दिया था कि मुझे ये job नहीं करनी है क्योंकि I come from business class family and मुझे लगता था कि job करना will not be so easy for me. So that's how I end up started doing job, and then I went there to do a job for around 6 to 12 months. मुझे लगा 6-8 महीने के बाद job करने के बाद में मैं I'll quit, but it took me more than 5 years.
Okay.
To continue the same job and that too into different parts of the country.
And you were mentioning something about your second role model.
And he is Jack Ma, the Alibaba founder. So he's an international person, whom I look upon. So he has created a lot of business models and a lot of failures and success, which inspires me. With n number of failures, still you can be successful and you can be the world's largest company.
Right. And he speaks a lot on youth and how they should start up from the beginning. And I feel this is the same ideology and philosophy that you carry.
I believe both of my role models has never had a godfather. So they both created their empire on their own.
Right. So if we speak about Torin as an empire, do you think Torin is a one-man army or a one-man show, or you have your succession plan already in hand? Like what will happen to Torin after you?
I don't think I'm that too old at this point of time to ask for a succession, but of course something goes wrong to me. I have a team of people. It's been now more than 40 people in this organization works, and out of which around 70-80% people are more than 3 years old. And I think my core team, Vijay, Parth, Melvin sir, Vaibhav, you, In fact, my daughter is coming up from next month onwards after this lockdown opens. So I think all of you are quite competitive and competent enough to take it forward, with me, without me.
Right, right. So now that you've already mentioned your daughter Bipasha, let me introduce to the people who don't know that Sir is really, really fond of his daughter Bipasha, and he keeps, like, in his mobile contact, her name is My Life, My World. So I'll also add Bipasha in this particular video streaming. Hi Bipasha, how are you?
I'm good. Hi, how about you?
Good, good, good. So, sir, can you? So, Bipasha, you were just discussing that how important you are in Sir's life. So, sir, can you share something about what plans that you've already thought of for Bipasha as a career, and how do you want to take it ahead?
It's that every father expects that his business should be taken forward by their own kids, and it's my wish too.
Right.
My son is younger to my daughter, and my daughter is quite competent enough on her communication skills, on her man management skills, and I feel that she's been observing me for a quite long time now, and once she understands the knowledge part, that is the base, or rather the grassroots. So if she adopts that part and she's willing to take it forward, I don't mind. And it was her wish to join Torrent.
And Bipasha, how about you? Are you excited? You recently turned 18, and you're already partner of one of the companies that Sir is promoting. So are you excited about it, or are you nervous, or what is your feeling?
It's a mixed feeling. Like, at one point I'm excited, at the other point I'm so nervous that how will I manage so much things so soon. But yeah, I know Dad is there, so
I cannot.
Yeah. He's always there for you wherever you get stuck. You're lucky enough that you're already getting everything in a platter for yourself.
yeah, right.
All right. So it was very nice talking to you, Jignesh sir. It was very nice talking to you, Bipasha. Before we end up this conversation, let's end it up on a fun note. I have prepared a small game for both of you, like the famous couple challenge that we are having on TikTok and Instagram, trending these days. So, Sir and Bipasha, who is the more crazier person between both of you?
He is the more crazier person.
Okay. But you're not so crazy in the office.
So there's always a difference between a personal and professional part.
Right. Who is the more bossy one?
Bipasha.
He is the more bossy one.
So he bosses over you and you boss over him. I think that's the...
Maybe.
Who among you cribs more? Who is
Me.
Okay. Who is very choosy in his or her food preferences?
Me.
Bipasha.
Okay. Who is a more movie buff? Fond of movies?
Bipasha.
Me.
Okay. So I think you guys are doing pretty well. आप लोग एक दूसरे को बहुत अच्छे से जानते हो. Right. So it was very nice talking to both of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Bhagyashree. It was a pleasure talking to you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.